Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to recover lost Snapchat streak without paying. First, you have to check if the Snap streak is eligible for restore. There's a three condition. First one, only recently expired streak can be restored. Second, you can't do it regularly. Third one, you can't restore multiple streak. You might can recover only one contact. If your account is eligible for restoration, let's see how to do that. Open your Snapchat account, go to your profile icon and click that. And there's a setting icon top right corner, tap on that. Scroll down and you can see I need help option. Tap on that arrow mark. Once it's loaded, scroll down and tap on contact us. And you can see option called I lost my snap streak. Select that one and scroll down, and there's another option, I'm having trouble to restoring my snap streak in the app. Select that one as well. Once you selected, there will be a form to fill and you have to enter your username, email address, mobile number, the device you're using, the friend's username you want to recover, and the start of having the issue, how long it's been expired, and you see this icon option. I have given a description in my comment section. Please make sure to copy that and paste it here and submit the form. Once you submit the form, and support team will be go through that. If you are eligible to recover, they will recover your snap streak. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you.